All right, y'all, this your boy Motor City Neek, and I'm checking in with another video. Your boy out here getting it in. You see what I'm in. Working on that Impala, man. All my wires came, so your boy done got it in. I'm running that 0 gauge wire. I'm running it all the way to the back into my trunk, man. So in case y'all don't know, and y'all ain't never ran a 0 gauge through the firewall, this is a spot. If you can see down in there, I know that's kind of hard to see, but it's all the way down in there. But that's how you run it through the firewall. So I'm about to go ahead and get busy. You see this, the motor on the Impala. So I'm about to pull all this 0 gauge wire all the way through. Once I pull it all the way through, man, I'm about to get the hooking up my sound system, man. So just taking y'all along with the journey and stuff. But in case y'all ain't never know, man, it's a little rubber garment. This right here is a plug against the firewall, right up under the passenger seat by the boy you pull for the hood. You can run that mug straight through there. So I'll check back with y'all in a minute, but just want to show y'all that. FYI too, for all y'all B-body owners that own Impalas, Caprices, and shit that looking to run a 0 gauge. Perfect spot, man. All right. As you can see right there, boy stinking it all the way through, but that's where it come out at and stuff. So snaking it all the way through. About to pull it up under my seat. Yeah, see right here. Here we go. So snake it all the way through. I'm about to pull my back seat out so I can get some more clearance and run all the way into the trunk. But perfect way, man. So just wanted to show y'all a little more detail and update with that. Keep pulling. Just gotta keep on pulling. See it? We gonna keep on pulling until I get it all the way, until I get all that I need. Then I'm gonna pull it through the trunk. So I'm gonna check back with y'all in a minute, but showing y'all the process. All right, y'all, Motor City crew, your boy back, man. Hella progress. I done ran my 0 gauge wire. It's all the way in the trunk. I got my 2 wires going to my Scar Audios. I got those ran. Those right there. Shit. Everything tucked up under the seat. I'm about to hook those 2 up. Those go to the Scars that's in my console. My fuse over there, and all of that was connected back here. So, your boy making hella progress, man. I'm trying to beat the sun down and stuff. So I ain't gonna hold it too long. Gotta get back to work and get to making this stuff happen real quick. So I'm gonna check back with y'all in a second. Hopefully I can get everything ran real quick. Then I can connect my spare tire back here. So everything gonna up and up. Don't mind the wind. I apologize for the wind. It's windy, so I'll cut you back on when the boy get closer to getting finished running the wires though. So I'm gonna get this in there and wire up my Scars. So I'll check back with y'all in a second when I get that done and button that back down. All right, y'all, your boy back, man. I'm about to, shoot, I got the wire and stuff set up. All the wires is ran. I test my tweeter horns, my Scar tweeters. Must sound good. They definitely doing their thing. All the wirings is doing what it's supposed to. So my last check is, shoot, for me to do the sub. So I'm about to go ahead and wire up my subs. I'm gonna wire them up to 2 ohms. And shoot, throw them in the trunk and see what it do. All right, y'all. Boy, Motor City Neek done finally finished up, man. So just want to show y'all the conclusion, man. It's been a lot of work, man, trying to get this stuff done. And I was running out of daylight, but shoot, I was able to show y'all the next day. I got my 0 gauge wire ran. I That's my fuse box. Of course, I got it ran all the way under there. And then it's a rubber diamond spot that fit down in there where you're able to run it into the firewall. So I got that in there. And I got my subs in there. Still got a lot more stuff I gotta do, man, but I was able to get my stuff in there, and you know what I'm saying, everything's sitting in there, sitting good. I gotta clean up my wires and stuff, but you know, I'm gonna definitely get to that stuff and finish tightening up my trunk. I wanted to give y'all a show, you know what I'm saying, show y'all that I finished up, got my system in and wiring. So I'm gonna go in the car, man, and I'm gonna let y'all get a little sample of, you know what I'm saying, how I perform. Let y'all see what it sounds like. Alright, y'all, your boy just finished up, man. I'm done. Sounds is in there. I just wanted to get y'all a good showing, man, and complete this video, man. So hopefully y'all, you know what I'm saying, stuck around. If this first time y'all checking my video out, be sure to hit that like, comment, subscribe, man. Join the Motor City crew, man. Your boy stay busy, and I'm built, not bought, man. I stay grinding, and I work on everything that I own. So I just wanted to show y'all, you know what I'm saying, what it sound like. I'm satisfied with it, man. So this is definitely an epic pass, man, as far as the subs. You know, I tried a new company, I tried something different, man, and these motherfuckers beat like crazy. And I ain't even tuned everything, so that's the crazy part about it. Once I tune everything and get everything tuned up and sounding the way I want it to sound, man, it's gonna be crazy. And the volume ain't even turned up. So man, I don't know. I'm kind of nervous because I don't want to fuck my trunk up and mess my windows up in the back, man. But it definitely beat, man. I got a 7,000 watt amp pushing them, man, and it sound good, man. It definitely beat hard, like crazy hard. So, you know, I just wanted to show y'all that, and you know, give y'all a little insight in case y'all was looking for a way to run that 0 gauge wire. So, you know what I'm saying? Everything is flush. It ran and tucked. My tweeters in there too. Can't forget about the tweeters, you know what I'm saying? I got my tweeters all in there, so them mugs is screaming, sounding good, man. So unfortunately, you know, I had to blur the music out and stuff because I don't want no copyright issues. But you know, y'all get it. Y'all get to see the trunk flex and all that. So once again, man, I appreciate y'all for watching the video. Till next time, man. Peace.